In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Frames to Video feature in Google Flow. This tool takes two still images and smoothly transforms one into the other, creating a short cinematic clip. It's great for concept art reveals, product before and after shots, or stylistic transitions. Start by opening your browser and heading to Labs Google FX. This is Google's experimental workspace for creative tools. Interfaces can evolve over time, so if things look slightly different on your screen, focus on the labels I mentioned next. Once the page loads, click Launch Flow. This opens the Flow environment where you'll build your project. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that. You'll return right back here. Next, choose New Project. Creating a fresh project keeps your assets and outputs tidy. If you have the option to name it, pick something descriptive so you can find it later. Inside your new project, click on Video and choose Frames. This tells Flow you want to generate a video by interpolating between images. Think of it as asking the system to fill in the motion and style that bridges your starting picture to your ending picture. Now click Start. You're setting the first anchor for the animation. Click Upload and select your start frame from your computer. For best results, pick a clear, high-resolution image in a common format like JPG or PNG. Strong composition and consistent lighting can make the transition feel more natural. Next, click End. This marks the destination of your transformation. Click Upload Image and choose your end frame. Try to keep the aspect ratio and general framing similar to your first image. When both images share a consistent perspective and subject scale, the generated motion tends to be smoother and more believable. You'll see a field labeled "What do you want to create?" Click there and type your prompt. Use this to guide the look and motion. Be specific about style, camera movement, and mood. For example, cinematic lighting, gentle dolly forward, soft focus, or dynamic particle effects. Short, clear phrases usually work better than long paragraphs. And you can mention the vibe you're aiming for, like dreamlike, photorealistic, or hand-drawn. When you're happy with your setup, click Generate. Rendering may take a moment depending on your images and prompt. You'll get a preview once it's finished. Watch it all the way through and pay attention to how faces, edges, and backgrounds morph. If the motion feels too jumpy or the style isn't quite right, refine your prompt with clearer direction or swap in better matched frames, then generate again to compare. And that's it. You've just created a smooth frames to video transformation in Google Flow.